clock on the wall is melting like the one in Dali's dream. I stopped trying to catch the minutes, let them flow like a stream. You used to rush me, said I lived too slow. Now I see the hurry was just a way to not let go. I pour a cup of tea, watch the steam twist and rise. The phone doesn't ring and I don't apologize. There's a certain kind of freedom in the pause between the beats, a silence that's not empty, just complete. The road's chords ripple like a pebble in a pond. I'm learning how to swim in the beyond. Liquid time, I'm floating in your tide. No more grip, no more slide. The seconds drip like honey from a jar. I don't need to know how fast or far. Fight the current, now I let it dress my skin. The future isn't late, it's just been waiting within. Every drop that seemed like waste now fills a deeper glass. Liquid time, you taught me that slow is not last. Liquid time, I'll ride you like a wave. No more counting, no more crave. The hourglass can break, I'll keep the sand. Spread it on the floor, then I'll understand.